Are you intrigued by the promise of radiant fair skin in a flash? The internet is buzzing with DIY remedies like lemon and Colgate toothpaste, promising instant skin whitening. But before you dive into this concoction, let's explore the scientific truths behind this trend and uncover both its wonders and potential hazards. Debunking the myths, lemon and Colgate. Many swear by the magical combination of lemon and Colgate for achieving fairer skin overnight. Lemon, with its acidic properties, is believed to lighten skin tone, while Colgate toothpaste, with its menthol and fluoride, is thought to cleanse and brighten. But is there any truth to these claims, or are we falling for another beauty hoax? The science behind lemon, brightening or burning. Lemon contains citric acid, a natural exfoliant that can indeed remove dead skin cells, revealing a brighter complexion underneath. Additionally, vitamin C in lemon juice may inhibit melanin production, contributing to a lighter skin tone over time. However, the high acidity of lemon can also lead to skin irritation, photosensitivity, and even chemical burns, especially when exposed to sunlight. So while lemon may offer benefits, its misuse can result in serious damage. Colgate. More than just toothpaste. Colgate toothpaste contains ingredients like fluoride, baking soda, and menthol, which are primarily designed for oral hygiene. The abrasive nature of some toothpaste variants may provide a mild exfoliating effect when applied to the skin, leading to temporary brightening. However, toothpaste is not formulated for skin use and may contain harsh chemicals that can cause allergic reactions, dryness, or even chemical burns. So while it may offer a quick fix, the risks outweigh the benefits. The dark side of DIY remedies, risks and concerns. While the allure of fast skin whitening is undeniable, it's crucial to weigh the risks against the rewards. DIY remedies like lemon and Colgate can have detrimental effects on your skin health if not used correctly. From irritation and sensitivity to long-term damage and uneven skin tone, the consequences can be severe. Moreover, relying on quick fixes may perpetuate unrealistic beauty standards and undermine the importance of embracing natural skin tones and self-acceptance. Empowerment through knowledge. Embracing healthy skincare practices. Instead of chasing fleeting beauty trends, prioritize long-term skin health and self-care. Opt for gentle cleansers, moisturizers, and sunscreen to nourish and protect your skin daily. Incorporate natural ingredients like vitamin C, niacinamide, and hyaluronic acid into your skincare routine for a radiant glow without the risk. Remember, beauty comes in all shades, and embracing your natural complexion